Hello everyone, this is Ayush Rajput and today I am gonna deliver you a seminar on digital image processing. So these are the contents: what is image processing, applications, purpose of image processing, types of image processing, components of image processing, future scope, advantages, disadvantages, and finally the conclusion. So what is digital image processing? Digital image processing means processing digital image by means of digital computer. We can also say that it is a use of computer algorithms in order to get an enhanced image. Image processing generally refers to processing of two-dimensional picture, and by two-dimensional picture we implies a digital image. A digital image is an array of real or complex numbers represented by a finite number of bits. But nowadays, optical and analog image processing is also possible. These are the applications of image processing: face detection, feature detection, non-photorealistic rendering, medical image processing, microscope image processing, morphological image processing, remote sensing, and fingerprint recognition. What is the purpose of image processing? Visualization: observe the objects that are not visible. Image sharpening and restoration: to create a better image. Image retrieval: seek for image of interest. Measurement of pattern: measures various objects in an image. Image recognition: distinguish the objects in an image. There are basically three types of image processing: analog image processing, digital image processing, and optical image processing. And today we are going to discuss about digital image processing. Components of image processing: image sensors, display, image processing softwares like OpenCV, MATLAB, CIMG, image processing hardware, and memory. So these are the steps of image processing. There are roughly around 10 to 11 steps that are involved while processing an image. The first step is image acquisition. This is the first step or the process of the fundamental steps of digital image processing. In this step, the image is captured by a sensor. So basically in this step, we are capturing the image by sensor, or we can say with a digital camera, and this capturing of the real world object into an image is called image acquisition. Image enhancement. Image enhancement is used to improve the interpretability or the perception of image for human viewers, or to provide better input for other automated image processing techniques. So basically it enhances the image quality so that it can be viewed by the human beings. Image restoration. Image restoration is considered with the reconstruction or estimation of the uncorrupted image, that is inverse of the imperfections in the image formation system. Next step is color image processing. Color image processing is an area that has been gaining its importance because of the significant increase in the use of digital images over the internet. This may include color modeling and processing in digital domain. Compression. Image compression is minimizing the size of the bytes of the graphics files without degrading the quality of the image to an unacceptable level. So basically in this step the size of the image is reduced so that it requires less size and it can be easily transferred over the one place to another. And all this stuff is done without compromising with the quality of the image. The quality of the image remains that was originally. Morphological processing. Morphological processing are the tools for extracting image components that are useful in representation and description of shape. Basically they are applied on input image to create output image of same size, so that basically this step is used for creating two images. One is original and another one is created identical to that for matching purpose. Input segmentation is basically used for segmenting image into components. Representation and description. Representation only part of the solution for transforming raw data into suitable form for subsequent computer processing. Description deals with the extracting attributes that result in same quantitative information of interest. Next step is recognition and interpretation. Recognition is the process that assigns label to an object based on the information provided by its descriptors. Interpretation means assigning meaning to an recognized object. And the last step is knowledge based. Knowledge may be as simple as detailing regions of an image where the information of interest is known to be located, thus limiting the search that has been conducted on seeking that information. Future. We all are in the midst of revolution ignited by fast development in computer technology and imaging. Against common belief, computers are not able to match humans in calculation related to image processing and analysis. So basically it suggests that humans can detect an object or recognize an object fast as compared to the computers. Now this is the scope and this is the future of this image processing. We are working so that we can develop a computer that can recognize the image as human beings. But with increasing sophistication and power of modern computing, the computation will go beyond conventional non-Neumann sequential architecture and would contemplate the optical execution too. There are advantages and disadvantages of this image processing, and the advantages is that this is more accurate than overlapping method. It is interactive method for recognizing fingerprints. So basically advantage is that in nowadays in the smartphones the image processing is used for fingerprint scanner, and the disadvantages are that it is more time consuming as compared to the former other methods and more complex programs. So we conclude that using image processing technique we can sharpen the image, we can make the image more sharper, contrast to make a graphic display more useful for displaying, and reduce amount of memory requirement for storing image. So we can reduce the size of the image, okay, so that it can be easily stored and moved with less space due to such techniques. And the advantage of these techniques is that image processing is applied in recognition of image as a factory floor quality assurance system. So it is used in factory floor quality assurance system, image construction as in plastic surgery design system. So we also use this image processing in plastic surgeries to design the surgery phase. So these are the references, and finally thank you.